absolutely razor sharp. Hello there, I'd like to introduce you to the AnySharp suction base knife sharpener. You stick it down onto your work surface like that, it doesn't move and you don't have to hold it. All you need to do is take your knife, any steel bladed knife. Just make sure that it's clean and dry, start at the heel, end up at the tip. Hold it upright and slide it back towards yourself. Pull it through there like that about half a dozen times, give it a clean and give it a try. If it's not as sharp as you want, do it all over again. This little knife costs less than £2. You don't need an expensive knife if all you require is an absolutely razor sharp one. Any type of knife, blade, edge or steel, this knife is a professional sabatier. It costs considerably more. You sharpen it up in exactly the same fashion, but the fundamental difference is that this knife, once it is sharp, will stay sharp for an awful lot longer than the inexpensive little knife. Now, both of these knives have got your regular ordinary stainless steel blades. This one isn't. This is a serrated bread knife. Now the manufacturers of these will tell you that you can't sharpen them, and the reason they tell you that is basically so you go and buy another one. Just put it in there, take the pressure off. If I press down hard, it will lock up between those teeth and it won't budge. Take the pressure off and glide it through there like that, nice and gently. Give it a clean. That will make that one of the sharpest knives you've ever picked up. Now all the knives I've shown you so far are made from stainless steel. Some knives, however, are made from carbon steel. This is a hunting knife, it's made from carbon steel. You can always tell because it discolours on the blade. It's a lot harder than stainless steel. You simply pull it through there like that, perhaps for a second longer. Give it a little clean. And the beauty of this is that once it's sharp, it will stay sharp for an awful lot longer than a regular stainless blade. The other type of carbon steel you get is drop forged carbon steel. This is incredibly hard. This is a pointing trowel made from drop forged carbon steel, and the regular job is to crack through bricks and rake out cement joints. I put a cutting edge on this from scratch and it took me 10 minutes. I did it just to show you that no matter how blunt your existing knife is, no matter what steel it's made from, if you can do this to a trowel in 10 minutes, the bluntest kitchen knife you have will be razor sharp in just 1 or 2 minutes. Now it doesn't matter how big the knife is that you wish to sharpen. The rule is if you can get it in there, you're going to sharpen it. You simply pull it through. This is probably the largest knife you'll ever see. You simply sharpen it by pulling it through there, nice and gently, right to the very, very tip. Give it a little clean, and away you go. As I said, it doesn't matter how big the knife is. The rules of the game are if you can get it in there, you will sharpen it. You simply pull it through there, nice and gently. You give it a little clean, and this is why we call it the world's best knife sharpener. I've been a butcher for over 46 years. These are the best. They're quick, clean and safe, and they work every single time.